Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku hourly analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, September the 20th, 2010. Well, a good strong trending day today, and we can see right from the open we had a series of bullish candles. The size of those candles for the first 2 hours increased quite dramatically, and then we had a very, very minor sell-off. We had two very large green-bodied candles, a small red-bodied candle, and then a doji as the market actually changed the trend to the downside with a lower high and a lower low. Following that doji candle, we had a change of trend back to the upside. So this is a good illustration of how doji candles can quite often be turning points in markets, and it offered a very good buying opportunity as the market took out the high of the doji candle and made a higher high and a higher low. Very good short-term trade here. Now, following that, we had the market trending up again with higher highs and higher lows, very large green-bodied candle, and then in the final hour of trading, we had a small green-bodied candle. And that told us that even though the buyers made net bullish progress, they didn't make as much net bullish progress as they had on the previous candle or the previous that we saw in the first 2 hours of trading. So that does raise a small amount of doubt about the continuation of the trend to the upside when the market opens again. Having said that, though, the trend in the market is still up. So we do have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. So any confirmation of change of trend would be a candle with a lower high and a lower low. Now that could have been some profit taking on the day because we have had a very strongly bullish trading market over the last trading day. Another cause for concern is the large shadow on the top of the final candle, and that represents selling coming in. So that could have been the profit taking as the market traded up around roughly 11.45. Now up above this area, we don't have any strong resistance until we trade up to around 11.50. So there is a possibility that the market will continue trending up until it trades up to around that level. If the market does that today, then we should look at how the market reacts to that level. If we do see bearishness coming in the short term, it could be a good selling opportunity. For those that are long, it could be a good opportunity to take profits. Now, just looking back here, we can see that we had a symmetrical triangle. We had very strong price action trending into this congestion area, and we've defined the boundaries of this triangle from the peaks and troughs within the congestion, and then we finally had the breakout to the upside. So that was a very good indication that the market was continuing up, and we can measure the target, and it would be the distance between the upper and the lower boundaries, the maximum of those boundaries between the peaks and troughs here projected up from where the market broke out from. Now when the market initially broke out, closed up above, it wasn't a terribly bullish candle. So some traders might not have taken a trade based on this breakout from the symmetrical triangle. Now, just looking at the Ichimoku indicators, we are trading up above the clouds, so we do have the market with an overall positive bias in the longer-term time frame. We are also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which means we're bullish in the medium-term and fast-term time frames. Both of those indicators are pointing up very sharply, reflecting this very strong upside momentum that we've seen. Now, if the market does come off, then there is potential for support around the low of this doji type candle, which is probably around 11.34, 11.35, and that coincides roughly with the area where the Tenkan-sen is trading. So there is potential for support there. Certainly at the Kijun-sen around 11.32, there's potential support, and this previous area that was resistance may turn into support roughly around 11.29, 11.30. So for the next trading day on the hourly charts, we do need to watch the high of the current candle. If we do see bullishness coming in and we're trading up above there, probably a good signal to perhaps add to positions or buy again for potential for the market to trade up to around 11.50. If we do take out the low, then there is potential for retracement to down around these support areas that we've highlighted already.